my dear students. Welcome back to next session of Science online class. Have you completed your activity which I given in the last class? Okay. In which topic we have learned in our last class? Habitats. Is it? Okay. Habitat provides an organism the basic needs of survival like food, water, shelter, and a place to breed its young ones. So, habitat is very important for all living organisms. Today, we can study about different habitats found on Earth. Before that, we have to know about adaptation. Do you know what is the meaning of adaptation? An adaptation is a change in an organism that help it survive and reproduce in its environment. The characteristics allow the animal to find food, protect themselves, and communicate with each other. For example, a fish has special organs like gills for breathing in water. It has fins, scales, and a streamlined body that help them to swim in water. So, they are well adapted for life in water. What are the different habitats found on Earth? Deserts, rainforest, grasslands, mountains, polar regions, oceans, and freshwater. Can human beings live in water? No, humans do not have gills, so we cannot breathe underwater because our lungs do not have enough surface area to absorb enough oxygen from water. Adaptation is essential for the survival of living organisms. Animals which are unable to adapt to changing environmental changes die. Adaptations are inheritable characteristics that increase an organism's ability to survive and reproduce in an environment. Adaptations can help an organism find food and water, protect itself, or manage in extreme environments. Adaptations is very important for living organisms for improving its safety, preventing the injuries, maintaining the independence, good self-care, communication, and connections are better with other organisms. Adaptations help organisms to get food. They help organisms eat. For example, beak shape in birds depending on what they eat. They will eat small types of grains. Giraffes have a long neck to reach tree tops. And adaptations of horses' teeth to grinding grass. Grass is their usual food. It wears the teeth down, but horses' teeth continue to growing during life. And also adaptations able to survive to hot, dry summers and are less able to cope with the cooler, wet winters. The Iberian is a very specialized hunter that has certain adaptations to have the ability to catch and kill small prey. Animals adapt themselves to their physical environment for food getting, protection, and survival. Adaptation is the ability of an animal to adjust to its environment. Most animals are specially adapted to survive in a particular habitat. They have developed special features to suit the demands of their environment. Animals live in a particular habitats where their adaptations make it possible for the animals to survive on earth. Plants and animals have different ways of surviving in the living conditions of their habitats. Today we can study about desert and grasslands. Desert is a dry place. Have you seen a desert? It gets lots of sunlight and little rain. Only a few kinds of plants and animals can live in desert. Only few animals live on desert. Desert tortoise, meerkat, camel, cactus wren, lizard, roadrunner, kangaroo rat, etc. These are the types of animals live in desert. These desert animals need special features that would keep their bodies cool and help survive using less water. One example is camel. Camel can live in deserts because it can survive for days without food and water. Camels eat grass, seeds, grains, and some plants. They can grow up to 7 feet tall. Their hair reflects the sun, which helps to keep them cool. Animals are used to transport people and goods across the desert. They do not store water in their humps. These type of hill-like humps used for storing fat. The fat provides them energy. Camel has long and bushy eyelashes. Desert wind blows all around. So, these eyelashes keep sand out of the camel's eyes. Camels have nostrils. They can prevent sand when strong winds blow. Why is camel well adapted to live in deserts? Because it can survive for many days without food and water. An animal's leathery mouth is used for chewing plants. Webbed feet of animal protect from the hot and to prevent it from sinking into the sand. Desert animals come out only at night when it is cooler. They spend most of their time underground, which is cooler. Plants like cactus plant stores a lot of water in their hollow stems. In which type of plant grows in the desert? Cactus plant. Next type of habitat is grasslands. Grasslands are mostly covered with tall grasses. They are very flat and open lands. When we compare the desert, grasslands get more rain. They are natural habitat of big animals like elephants, giraffe, zebras, lions, etc. Good morning children. How are you all? Okay. Today we are studying about adaptation. Okay. What is the meaning of adaptation? A change in an organism that help it survive and reproduce. The animals that to find the food and for shelter, for protection, for reproduction, they will need the survival. Okay, they have need protection. Okay, for that they will live in different habitats. They will live different places. Okay, a change in an organism that help it survive and reproduce. For reproducing their young ones, to protect their young ones, and they need the food. For that they will live in different habitats, different places. What are the different habitats found on earth? Already we have learned in the last class, is it? What are they? Desert, grasslands, rainforest, ocean, mountain. Okay, these are the different types of habitat. Okay, today we can study about desert and grasslands. Okay, now we can study about desert. Okay, do you know what is the meaning of desert? Desert is a dry lands. Okay, it will get lots of sunlight and they will get less rain. Okay, so that only few animals and plants will be grow on the desert. Okay, which are the animals can live in desert? Kangaroo rat, lizard, some type of snakes, then camel. Okay, these are the animals can live in desert. Okay, this camel is the ship of the desert. Why the camel is called ship of the desert? Because camels used to transport the people from one side of the desert to another side of the desert. Okay, in that hot area, camel can use to transport the people. Okay, in the camel's backside have humps. Okay, these are the humps store their fat. Okay, it's not storing the water, the storing fat. These fats used to give energy to the camel. Okay, next one is eyelashes. What is the eyelashes? In the desert always wind will blow. Okay, so always sand will be blow everywhere. So the eyelashes are keep the sand out from the eyes. Okay, next one is nostrils. Nostrils to the prevent. Okay, nostrils prevent the sand when strong winds blow. Nostrils prevent the sand when the sand will be blow in their nose. Okay. Then camels have leathery mouth. Okay, this mouth is used to chewing the plants. These are the camels can eat only the small types of plants and grains. Okay, and seed also. So these are the camels can live in the desert for 3 weeks without food and water. Okay, it can without food and water it can walk nearly 4 kilometers per hour. Okay. Okay, next one is grasslands. Okay, grasslands are very flat area. Okay, only tall type of plants can live in the grasslands. When we compare the desert, the grasslands will be get more rain. Okay, only like small and big type of animals can live in the grasslands. For example, elephant, then zebra, lion. These are the types of animals can live on the grasslands. Grasslands are very flat area on the land. Okay. Listen children, we can do the worksheet. Page number 29. Worksheet number 2. Okay. I will give some ideas. You can write the answer. Okay. Unscrambled names of animals or plants given below and write one way in which each has adapted to suit its natural habitat. ROGF. Okay, the words are unscrambled. You have to write in order. Okay, what is the word? This frog. FROG, frog. Then next one, you have to write the adaptation, where they live. It can live in small pools of water formed in rainwater. Next one is LOPARRABE. This one is polar bear. Okay, you should write the adaptation. Next one, lotus. Then write adaptation. Okay, did you understand this? You should write the names of animals or plants. Then you should write the adaptation. Do you understand? Then you have to refer the book also. Okay, I will send few questions. You should study and write. Okay, thank you.